Here for another camping adventure with some friends from San Jose, Sacramento, all over the place. So just waiting for them to arrive, and I'm really excited to see them and go on another camping trip. Good times. What's up?
You made it.
That was pretty good timing.
Yeah.
I'm all smoked up.
I had one bust.
That terrifies me, honestly, dealing with spokes on a motorcycle. Dude, it looks good.
But I'm getting smoke on the front cylinder today. When we stopped, I was seeing it. I was like, oh no.
Oh no. Little intake leak or something?
Probably, you know what? It's actually probably a gas.
Looking good. New bike, dude. Final member has arrived. Brother Rhett. Your bike's really clean. Yeah, no, that's what I mean. Like, it looks like real. It's sick. What frame is that? Is that a? Damn, I love the thin tubing on it.
Yes.
Quite a bit. That's so sick. Yeah. Camping. Making friends with the neighbors. Looks like this is going to be our spot for the night. Beautiful. Oh shit.
Oh man, can you in the fridge?
Drop them in, dude. The balls are in.
Gotta make sure they're fully submerged, you know.
Grab one to go. Yeah, that water is cold. Holy fuck.
Whoa. That's a high elevation beer.
What kind of camera do you use to shoot your 35 mil?
Pentax K1000.
What a nice time we're having here. Look at this shit, dude. So nice. Everyone's yard sailing. The master at work. Meanwhile, this fucking tub of shit